Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, my face is killing me.
Yeah.
Stupid flashlight. We're outside and we're about to cut open one of these smoke balls.
Show us.
We actually blew some off. About 5, I don't know. And we gathered 3 of these duds and we're gonna crush them and see what's inside them with a hammer. So let's get this started. But today we are joined by my dad, who's gonna help me crack one of these things open because they're very crapping hot.
Yeah,
they're very hot.
Well, light them up.
Ow, ow. These are actually very hot. Well, let's crush one and see what's inside.
All right, what color first?
Purple.
Purple.
Okay, all crushed. Let's grab a stick just in case it tries to kill us. Is it hot?
No.
It's not? Okay, so it looks like there's some
No, it ain't.
gunpowder residue. That's
Yeah.
what it looks like there's in. Now these bugs keep killing me, so I'm gonna start slapping my face in a bit. So it looks like here we have like gunpowder residue. Now these things are hot. I would not try this at home, but if you want to try it with an adult. Is what I'm doing.
Hardcore.
Bang! Now in this one it looks like we have more gunpowder residue.
It's purple though, ain't it?
Yeah. Why is blue
that
purple?
One's purple. Yeah, blue is purple, ain't it?
Confirmed.
I wonder what color that is.
Probably orange.
Oh. Yep.
Ta-da!
It's black.
Well, it's gunpowder.
So black.
residue.
Black.
Gunpowder is
gunpowder.
gray, and it turns. You know those poppets?
But look, it's a little bit still hot. See?
It looks kind of orange.
Yeah, there's orange in there.
Kind of orange and red.
Mm.
Let's pop one of these out. Here we have 2 fresh ones left. We have a yellow and a blue.
Yeah.
But we don't have an extra purple because this guy.
You want to light it right now? Let's light it on the porch.
Wait.
And maybe we can crack it as it's lit.
No.
Let's try that experiment.
How about we?
It'll keep the bugs away. Let's light one right here.
I think this is a bad idea. Well, step away from it when it lights, okay? Wait. Run!
No, stay right here. It's okay.
It looks scary. Okay, so here's what happens.
It's blue.
It just turns into blue smoke. Let's crack it open.
Hold on.
Okay, we opened it. It's still, oh my God, it's turning blue. What happened?
Power low. Still on.
So that's what happens. Seems like it's, oh crap, bug in my ear. Go away. Smash it with a hammer.
Light one more. It should keep all the bugs away.
So it doesn't look too good. Still seems to be on fire, so.
It's weird.
Why don't we crack one open when it's not lit?
I know, but that won't work.
Well, I'm gonna go hardcore on this one, okay?
As it's going.
Let's surround it by these residue and
All right.
see what happens.
Fire it up, dude.
What if we try and light all this residue and then see what happens?
Relight it?
Yeah. Wait. I have an idea. Dad, ready? Wait, don't do it. Stop.
It's going
Stop
a little bit, look.
Stop it a bit. Ready? Go. You need to back away because that thing's gonna come straight at you. Dude! That's what I meant. And smoke! Oh my God,
Ooh,
why is it
that's
red?
smoke.
Why is it red? Oh, that's weird. Why is it red? Oh my God, it's combining with the blue. So that's what happened. It's turning orange. Why is it orange? Ugh, crush it. Ugh!
See, when you crush it, it goes out real quick.
Light a bit. See if we can light it again. Why don't we put all this in plastic and see if we can light the plastic and see what's in it?
I don't think it'll work, too.
Let's do it. Might be an awesome experiment. Might be a horrible incident gone wrong. Let's try it. Because I am savage. Stupid.
I wouldn't put it in the plastic, dude.
Yeah. Until we smash it more. Get off.
Hit it. I wonder what it's made out of, because it ain't really busting up like it should.
Yeah. Hey guys, if you want to check out what's inside a Pop-It video, what I did is I crushed open a Pop-It and I saw what's inside it. If you want to see what's inside it, you might want to check out that other video I uploaded a few days ago. So,
hit like and subscribe.
yeah. But first, we're going to see what's inside.
Absolutely. In the dark.
At night. I don't know what time it is. It's probably 3 o'clock. I don't know. Well, let's get all these things in a little pile. And my trusty assistant will grab some gloves and put it all in the plastic bag, right?
Alright, you want to take over this?
Yep. You can do that. Well, I can't see your face at all. Now, this is probably dark for you. I'm going to try and turn up my brightness a lot. So here we go. That's how good it looks. It looks horribly good. But when you light plastic on fire, doesn't it like, you know what it does? It actually turns into a tiny ball. So I'm wondering if we set that on fire and put enough pressure on it, it will do something. So let's see. We lit up both of them, and we're going to try it and see what it does. Wait. Oh, well, I guess we'll do that. Ready? Back away, just in case this goes wrong. Oh, the light's on. That's good. That's a start. Okay, Dad, back away. Stop doing. Dad, that's bad. Don't do that. It sounds like a creeper. It sounds like creepy Minecraft. Here we go. There's something. We got something. Something's happening. Like the plastic right here.
It just melts, but it won't light.
See? Oh, it smells terrible. Well, I guess that's what happens, and you guys saw what's inside it. Looks like gunpowder residue. If you want to see a different video, just click down in the description. See what happens. I just sat in the residue. I think my butt's on fire.
Alright, check it out, Jake.
Okay. It's kind of weird. No smoke, though. Yay. Don't smoke, kids. Something's happening. Oh, something's happening. Okay, let's smash it with a hammer once more to see what's happening. Wait, I want... You know what? Trusty assistant. You can do this, because you're my dad, and I love you.
Oh, you want to do it?
No.
You do it.
No. You haven't got the smash stuff. You get the smash stuff. Smash it more. Oh, you're stuck. I'm gonna do this. Wait, give me it. That's how we end a video.
That's it. Say goodnight.
Okay.
Peace.
Bye, guys.